Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can elevate your photography and video recording game, the Anautin 30W upgraded LED video lighting kit. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Anautin 30W kit? This is a professional-grade LED video lighting kit designed for a variety of photography and videography needs. It comes with two 12-inch panel lights, each packed with 352 efficient LEDs, allowing for an impressive 30 watts of power and a maximum output of 3,700 lumens. This means you can achieve bright, even lighting perfect for all sorts of scenarios, whether you're shooting a vlogging segment, conducting a live stream, or even hosting a podcast. Let's get into some of the standout features of this lighting kit. One of the major highlights is its wide color temperature range, which spans from 2500K to 8500K. This versatility is fantastic for content creators who want to achieve various moods in their videos, from a cozy, warm glow for intimate vlogs to crisp, bright lighting for product shoots that require true-to-life color reproduction with a color rendering index of over 95. This means your skin tones will look natural and your products will shine in their true colors. Another impressive feature is the advanced heat dissipation technology. The Anautin lights are built with unique cooling intervals that allow for continuous use without overheating. This is particularly beneficial if you're planning on long recording sessions or live streams, as it ensures optimal performance without the distraction of flickering light. What about flexibility? The kit comes with an 8.2-foot charging cable, giving you generous length to position your lights without the frustration of searching for outlets. Plus, it includes 4 Velcro straps to help manage your cables neatly, so you can focus on your content rather than the clutter. The lighting stands are extendable from 60 cm to 175 cm, making it easy to adjust the height according to your needs. With a twisting knob that allows for 180-degree rotation, you can easily switch between different angles, whether you're capturing overhead shots, low-angle perspectives, or standard head-on framing. Now, who is this lighting kit suitable for? If you're a beginner content creator, a vlogger, or even a professional photographer, this kit will meet your lighting needs. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their video quality without the hassle of complex setups. Whether you're a gamer streaming on platforms, a barber showcasing your work, or a podcaster wanting to create a polished look, the Anautin 30W kit has got you covered. Let's talk practical use cases. If you're filming tutorials or product reviews, the adjustable brightness and color temperature allow you to create the perfect setting to highlight your subject. If you're streaming your gaming sessions, the even illumination will ensure you look great on camera. And for podcasters, it can provide a professional touch to your video feeds, making your content visually appealing. In summary, the Anautin 30W upgraded LED video lighting kit is a versatile and powerful tool for anyone venturing into the world of photography and videography. With its robust features, flexibility, and ease of use, this kit is designed to help you create high-quality content effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.